let's try my autumnal tacos.
To a pan on a medium heat, you're going to add 1 small diced onion, 2 cloves of garlic crushed, 1/4 of a butternut squash peeled and diced, a small sweet potato peeled and diced, 150 grams of Brussels sprouts trimmed in half, and a tin of drained black beans. Then let's get some flavour! 1.5 teaspoons of ground cumin, 1.5 teaspoons of smoked paprika, 1/2 teaspoon of chilli powder, and lots of salt and pepper to taste. Prep yourself an avocado simply by crushing it with lime and salt. And dice up some parsley. You want all of your veggies to soften through, and I like to add water to soften and make it even more oozy. Then we're going to toast off some corn tortillas in a dry pan, and it's assembly time. On with your avocado, a generous heap of your autumnal filling, a dollop of yogurt and some fresh parsley.
One of the main reasons I love food is because it's the perfect opportunity to sit around the table with the people you love and share, whether that's sharing stories, sharing experiences, or sharing something delicious. When it's a sharing dish, it's even better.